Partir.
means to leave. In this video, we will learn the verb to leave in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is one of the irregular verb, and it follows the pattern that is shown here. With this pattern, you can conjugate a number of verbs having similar ending. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I leave.
Je pars.
You leave. Informal way.
Tu pars.
He leaves. Masculine.
Il part.
She leaves. Feminine.
Elle part.
We leave, or one leaves. Informal way.
On part.
We leave. Formal way.
Nous partons.
You leave. Formal way.
Vous partez.
They leave. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils partent.
They leave. Group of only females.
Elles partent.
This French verb is used to express the action of going away or leaving a place. Its conjugation is pretty straightforward. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I leave early.
Je pars tôt. Je pars tôt.
You leave after lunch.
Tu pars après le déjeuner. Tu pars après le déjeuner.
He leaves by car.
Il part en voiture. Il part en voiture.
She leaves for vacation tomorrow.
Elle part en vacances demain. Elle part en vacances demain.
We are leaving for the mountains this weekend.
On part à la montagne ce week-end. On part à la montagne ce week-end.
We are leaving for the swimming pool this afternoon.
Nous partons à la piscine cet après-midi. Nous partons à la piscine cet après-midi.
You are leaving for the meeting now.
Vous partez à la réunion maintenant. Vous partez à la réunion maintenant.
They are leaving for a business trip.
Ils partent pour un voyage d'affaires. Ils partent pour un voyage d'affaires.
They are leaving for the beach this afternoon.
Elles partent à la plage cet après-midi. Elles partent à la plage cet après-midi.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I leave.
Je pars.
You leave. Informal way.
Tu pars.
He leaves. Masculine.
Il part.
She leaves. Feminine.
Elle part.
We leave, or one leaves. In formal way.
On part.
We leave. Formal way.
Nous partons.
You leave. Formal way.
Vous partez.
They leave. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils partent.
They leave. Group of only females.
Elles partent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.